Good morning, respected ma'am. Myself Jack Sahu,
And myself Vikas Sahu. We are friends of the BMS first profession new batch.
and we are here to decode you about the 4 different types of the heart sound and their location. What is heart sound? Heart sound are created from the blood flowing through the heart chamber as the cardiac valves opens and close during the cardiac cycle. There are 4 areas where we can hear the heart sound. First one is aortic valve, second one pulmonary valve, third one tricuspid valve, and the last one is mitral valve. Here you can see that this is the first bone, that is clavicle. Just posterior to the clavicle we find that first ring, and just below that we find the first intercostal space and then second intercostal space. Here we can find that aortic valve. Just opposite to this left side of the sternum we find the second intercostal space. Here we can find the pulmonary valve. This we have a tricuspid valve which is present at the fourth intercostal space. Here we can find that this is the fourth intercostal space. Here we can find the tricuspid valve. After this we have a mitral valve which is present at the fifth intercostal space, middle to the mid clavicular line. As you can see, this is the clavicle, mid line of the clavicle we find the fifth intercostal space. Here we have a mitral valve. We are going to show you the demo. We are going to hear the heart sound in the different 4 regions. First, the aortic valve, which is present at the second intercostal space, right side of the sternum. Here we can hear the lub dub sound, where the dub is more louder than the lub. Now, pulmonary valve, which is pulmonary valve. Here we can hear the sound with a little high frequency. Now we are going to hear the sound of this area, this area, the tricuspid. Here we can listen the heart sound, which is more perfect. Now the last one is the mitral valve area. Here the sound is clear and the more frequency of sound can be heard. We hope you like this video. Thank you.